2021 Polaris Sportsman 570 EPS. Getting a hold it, it'll come up. 636, 2 plausible, 1 code. Comes up crank position sensor. So you have your 2 plugs over here. The yellows are your stator, and little white plug is your crank position sensor. Well, after a bunch of research, tracing, probing wires, checking resistance, I found a culprit. Pulled all the wires through the frame because Polaris thought it was a good idea to pinch everything. And everywhere there was a zip tie, so you have one of the stator wires completely broken in half. There's 2 strands holding it, and then you follow your green and blue, which is your crank position wire, and underneath the insulation it was completely broken in half. So it's something to check instead of spending a bunch of money chasing sensors. Hope it helps. It just blows my mind. I mean, that one's chewed through. I wish I would have took the video before I cut all the zip ties, but this is what I mean. So you got this, and then the sheathing's on top of it. But everywhere that there was one of these, the wires are eating through. Down here, focus. It's nuts. Those 2 made it. So I'm going to relocate them plugs from the other side on top of the power steering, away from any heat source, and hook them up on this side. There was another video a guy posted. He had a really good idea with that. He wrapped them in 3/8 rubber hose. I'm going to do the same, but this should fix it. Just temporary. I threw some tape on them and ran them over there. It's hard to see, but I cut the other zip tie and plugged them in. And that's it. Free fix.